someone pulled the fire alarm. Bro, I'm outside of school and I was getting ready to go back to class, but the whole entire school had to be evacuated. That's the school behind me. And that shit creepy as hell, man. We don't know who did it. I was just standing there, just putting my headphones on, and then just walking. I was wearing my headphones, and I completely heard immediately that the fire alarm went off. Can't believe that completely happened.